certain foods can explode in the microwave due to a buildup of pressure or steam inside them. When heated in the microwave, the water content of the food can turn into steam, creating a high-pressure environment within the food. If this pressure is not released, it can build up to the point where it causes an explosion. Here are a few reasons why certain foods are more prone to exploding in the microwave. In closed or sealed containers, foods that are cooked or heated in tightly sealed containers, such as eggs or potatoes, can create a significant buildup of steam and pressure. The pressure may continue to rise until the container bursts, causing an explosion. Foods with a high water content, foods that contain a lot of water, such as soups, stews, or fruits with high water content, can generate steam quickly when heated in the microwave. If the steam is not able to escape, the pressure can build up, leading to an explosion. Irregular shapes, foods with irregular shapes, such as hot dogs, sausages, or potatoes with skins, can have areas with higher moisture content. These areas may heat up faster than the rest of the food, causing steam to build up within those specific parts and potentially leading to an explosion. To prevent food explosions in the microwave, it's important to take certain precautions. Use microwave-safe containers. Ensure that you use microwave-safe containers or dishes when heating food. These containers are designed to withstand the heat and pressure generated by microwaves, reducing the risk of explosions. Create venting. For foods with a high water content or sealed containers, create a vent by leaving a small opening or using a microwave-safe cover with venting options. This allows steam to escape gradually, preventing excessive pressure buildup. Stir and distribute heat evenly. Stirring or rotating the food during microwaving helps distribute the heat evenly, minimizing the formation of hot spots that can lead to pressure buildup. Prick foods with skins. For foods like potatoes or sausages with skins, it's advisable to prick them with a fork or make small slits before microwaving. This allows steam to escape and prevents pressure buildup. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and microwave food with caution to ensure safe and effective cooking or heating.